G'day, here's a parcel of seam knobby material from Lightning Ridge. Bit of a mixture, but this is all super bright material. I'll pick up a few of the pieces randomly in a minute, but this has great potential for super bright small stones. Anyway, I'll zoom in without moving the pieces to start with. Okay, I've zoomed in and okay, I've zoomed in and now I just move the tray around. You can see the brightness of some of these, a lot of pinks and reds. Some of these are only small stones, but they'd probably be a few $100 a carat perhaps. Some of the material, I'm afraid, is going to have sand in it, so some of the stones you're not going to get a perfect stone back out of, but boy, has it got colour. Okay, I'll just pick it up and give it a bit of a movement for you. Just tilting it. These pieces that don't look like they've got colour, they all have, or pretty well most of them. To say all, of course, I'll always get caught out, won't I? I've not specifically picked these in any particular order as it's becoming obvious there. I'm picking up pieces that haven't got much colour. Other pieces like these are actually the pieces, and it's only small, but that's going to cut a nice stone. And that's really what I bought it for. The other bigger pieces, well, it's all part of the process, isn't it? Anyway, that gives you a bit of an idea. Oh, there's a nice little pink red one. Some of these are going to be fairly easy to cut. Anyway, whoever buys this, I hope they're going to be and should be quite happy with it.